Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Welcome to my channel. I'm sharing with you today this delicious, easy, quick, fast assorted meat stew recipe. This is perfect for any kind of swallow, for rice, for beans, for bread. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. I bet you're gonna love it. That is my assorted meat I'll be using today. It's already well washed and it's ready. Now pour it into a pot. I'm going to add chopped onion into it now. After that, I'll be adding ginger roots. What I have here are garlic cloves. I'm adding seasoning, and I have this all-purpose seasoning. If you have it, add it into it. Now it's time to add my thyme. I'll be adding oregano. I'll be using onion powder, curry, rosemary, coriander powder, salt, and it's now time to add some water. After adding the water, cover it and bring it to a boil. Lovely, this has been cooking for about 20 minutes. It's now time to open it and give it a good mix. Please always remember to open your meat occasionally and give it a good stir. Shout out to Oyebisi Fakeye Ogundare watching from Ogun State. Thanks for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment. Thank you. Now cover and boil until tender. Yes, this is how I like my meat to be. It's now time to take it out of the meat stock. You can fry it, you can bake it in oven, but this is how I'm going to cook it. Now get a pot, put some vegetable oil into it, add chopped onion, add garlic clove into it, and add coriander leaf. If you have it, now fry until they turn to golden brown or they burnt yet. Lovely, the aroma this vegetable oil is giving me alone. Wow, look at this pepper mix. This is overloaded with lots of ingredients. If you want to see how I prepare this pepper mix that make it so easy for you, it is based for anything you want to cook. Check the comment section, you're going to find a link. I'm just going to use 2 nylon of it, and I'm adding tomato paste, which we call tin tomato, into it now. Now mix everything together. Please make sure you watch how I prepare this pepper mix. It saves time. You're going to love it. Now boil for about 10 minutes. It's now time to add meat stock into it. Yes, 10 minutes, because that pepper mix is already boiled and cooked already. Add the meat stock, now cover and cook. Look at it, it's boiling. It has been cooking already for about another 10 minutes. Now give it a good mix. Don't let it get burnt. Look at it, it's given already. I'm adding black pepper into it now. I'm adding some seasoning mixture, curry, seasoning, salt, and lovely. I'm going to be adding more pepper into this. I love the heat vibe. Now mix everything thoroughly. Okay, so look at it. It's looking yummy already, but we are not done. Like I've said, you can fry your meat. Taste for salt here. Time to taste for salt. You can fry your meat, or you bake in oven, or you bake it in a air fryer. But I'm using this boiled meat like this. Now add your boiled meat into the pepper sauce and give them a good mix. Let them be well combined. Look at it. We are almost there. You know the beef is tender already and that stew is already well cooked. Now simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm telling you, lovelies, this vegetable oil we used, you know how we flavored it, right? And the way we prepare this meat, and that pepper mix is a must watch for everyone. Check the comment section, try the system, and you're gonna thank me later. This tastes absolutely delicious. Everyone enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.